Hey guys! Do you read a lot but can't find a bookmark that you like? Or do you want to gift someone a personal present? Today I'm going to show you 3 motifs of self-made bookmarks. They are easy and quick to make and also perfect for everybody who is starting their watercolor journal. First, my bookmarks are 7 by 3 inch big, but you can cut your paper in any size you want your bookmarks to be. The first motif will be a nice evening sunset sky. As usual, I start to wet my paper completely. Then I start adding my darkest tone at the top, followed by my mid-tone and as well my lightest tone. I go in, back and forth to make a nice blended gradient. After my layers have dried, I start painting little pine trees by using a zigzag technique. At the end, I just add some stars and the moon, and then I'm finished with my first bookmark. The second motif is a night sky scenery. I made a more detailed tutorial for this as well. You can check it out at Art and Fly's channel. But simply said, I just put down my layer of water, start with the darkest tone and keep adding my other colors and make sure everything is blended nicely. At the end, I just add the pine trees and the stars and I'm done with the second bookmark. Last but not least, the third motif will be a dreamy cloudy sky. Here I did a light gradient again. After this, I start adding the clouds by dipping the colors on the still red surface. When they have dried, I keep adding some shadows, stars, and that's it. See, these motifs are really easy and quick to make and everybody can do them. I hope this helps you to start your watercolor journey. Thanks for watching.